I need a volunteer.
Or Kelsey. Okay. It doesn't matter.
It's okay. Go ahead.
You can go.
Go ahead.
Okay. Kayla, or Kelsey, go.
All right. I want to
Danny, watch
a clean deck, right?
Yeah.
Nothing's water, right? Clean deck. All right. I want you to pick any random card you want. Some card you feel comfortable with. Just don't show me. Okay. Now show your friends and show the camera.
Don't look.
Oh, okay. Look now.
Alright? I want you to place your card right here. Alright? Now at this point everything's fair, right? I have no idea what your card is, right? Okay? Before I go further, I'm going to introduce myself. I'm JD, the Christian illusionist. I take any type of method, whether it's Chris Age or Eating, and I preach the word of God while I do it. Alright? Everybody understand that? Alright. Now, I'm going to hand you the deck, and I want you to pick up any size of the deck, and I want you to place it right under there and make it even, just like so.
What's going on? She's like putting the other part of the deck under.
Like I said, I preach the word of gospel while I do this. So right now, we're all going to pretend for a second that y'all are looking at God. Okay? And we know that God is like a mind reader. He knows your thoughts, right? Okay, so what I'm going to do, since you chose your card, I'm going to get inside your mind and take your card that you have in your mind to here to here. Y'all probably think there's no way, right? Just watch. But in order for me to do this, I want you to look at my eyes the whole time. Now, if I get this right, I want everybody that I do not know to promise me something. Spread the word on how crazy JD is or whatever, alright?
Yeah. Oh my God.
Really cool. Nice to meet all y'all. Please remember, if you see me anywhere in public, please give me a shout.
Okay.
Alright, appreciate it.